What's up, food reviewers? Welcome back to another Governor Mifflin Delicacy food review. Today we have the Governor Mifflin parfait. As you can see, we've got some chocolate mashed potato looking, I don't even know. We got some chicken. Why there's chicken on it, that's beyond me. We got a Cheeto and some mayonnaise right on that.
Hey,
so,
what are the special guests?
all right, so we got some special guests here today. We've got David Mandel and the King Chad Dan.
What it do?
The King Chad. All right, so guys, I'm kind of scared to do this one.
What's the nutritional value of this stuff? I mean, this cum on the top, it probably serves as a lot of extra protein.
It probably does.
Really boosts up
Really
boosts up the
it's really good for the
vitamin
body.
D content of this.
All right, guys. So we're gonna dig
Takes
straight
cock in
on
his
into
mouth
this.
on the regular.
Dip the fork in the balsamic, and here we go.
Oh
Some of the ice cream.
Swallow. Oh, trust me, he's good at swallowing. He's had plenty of practice with that. Not for me. He doesn't swallow me. That's gay. Fuck that.
Uh-oh.
Alright, Dan.
Lost the Cheeto. Oh, God.
Oh my god. You see,
Aim to your left.
All right, guys, this is pretty butt nasty, so we're gonna keep eating it.
Go to the bottom, man. You gotta go to the bottom. That's where all the balsamic vinegar is.
Yeah, there's some butter on the bottom there too. It's starting to melt.
holy shit, you guys are fucking insane.
Look at that. That is beautiful, buddy.
It looks like it's been fucking sitting for days.
like that.
Damn.
It's aged.
Wait, stop. Wait.
What?
There's something moving in that. I don't think that balsamic vinaigrette is balsamic vinaigrette.
No, it
I think
has-
it's just leeches.
It's Governor Mifflin.
They're ground
balsamic.
up.
Oh my God! Look at that darkness
Now,
of that.
the chicken isn't actually real chicken. It's just
Oh,
it's just rat feces.
makes you
It's just
shudder a
shit
little bit, but
rolled
that's
up
good.
in, like, it's just shit rolled up and fucking frying shit.
Breathe through the nose. That's what she said. In through the nose, out through the mouth.
God
That's
damn
what she said.
You cunt.
one big bite. You got it.
Breathe through the nose and out through your mouth.
And we're demonetized.
You gotta bleep out so much stuff, man.
What is this, a game of cards against humanity? It's not like we get monetized anyway.
Look, we got some more chicken. The chicken tendies.
I don't know what the fuck that is anymore, man.
Smells the balsamic.
Yeah, it's pretty. I'm glad my nose is stuffed with cocaine because I'm a Chad.
You're gonna throw up.
Chicken testes.
Dude, that's not.
It's fucking me. Doug, you can that was a genuine fucking reaction. You could tell he was not kidding. He was like, fuck.
Don't eat that. Eat the spoon.
Butter.
All right, guys. Thanks for tuning into this epic food review.
Why
got
would
a
you
new
do this
upload?
to yourself?
Because it's for the views.
Sponsored
All
by
right,
Bill
now, guys,
Mays.
Billy
We've got a new
Billy
video
Mays here.
schedule. Stay
Billy
tuned
Mays
for
here with a
every
special
Tuesday.
TV.
We will be doing a special food review. So stay tuned to next
5,000 likes and he dies.